This is the G31 stainless steel 3-burner gas grill. This grill arrives packaged very nicely. Installation is an absolute breeze. There are instructions to walk you through every step, and really the only part that you need to put together is the stand. The grill part itself comes all in one piece. The stand assembles in a few simple steps, and as you can see, it is all stainless steel. This grill comes fully loaded with all the options, including folding side tables, bottle opener, utensil hooks, and foldable towel racks. This grill does have an electric igniter to light all of the burners. It just requires one AA battery. The storage cabinet underneath the grill holds one standard 20-pound propane cylinder. Place the cylinder underneath and attach the hose, and you're ready to start grilling. To light the burners, first open the grill, set the burners to the high or light setting, and press the ignite button. Once lit, you can adjust the knobs to the desired temperature setting, and you can keep track of your temperature with the thermometer on the front of the grill. This grill comes with tons of accessories, including the bottle opener on the front. There is a fold-out towel rack on each side, and there are 5 utensil hooks on each side tray. When you are done grilling for the day, the side trays easily fold down so you can stow the grill away and save space. The 3 burners allow for enough grilling area to cook dinner for the whole family. This G31 3-burner stainless steel gas grill gives you an excellent grilling experience every time, and it is the perfect addition to any patio.